Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your places. Today, we are going to start with our next chapter of mathematics, that is chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is 4-digit numbers. As you have already done 3-digit numbers in your first chapter, similarly, we are going to do the 4-digit numbers in this chapter. So before starting the chapter, we should know what are 4-digit numbers. So what are 4-digit numbers? The numbers having 4 digits in it. वो numbers जिनमें 4 digits होती हैं, 4 digits, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? 4-digit numbers. For example, count the number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a 4-digit number. One more example. Count it as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is also 4 digits in it. That means it is also a 4-digit number. So students, if I say from the following numbers, which are 4-digit numbers or which are not, can you find it? Let's do it. First is, count it, 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 digits. That means it is a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number, not a 4-digit नंबर. मतलब ये 3-digit नंबर है, 4-digit नंबर नहीं है. और ये 1, 2, इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ 4-digit नंबर. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is a 4-digit number. 1, 2, it is also not a 4-digit number. 1, it is also not. 1, 2, 3, not a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is a 4-digit number. It is also not a 4-digit number. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is a 4-digit number. So now you are clear what are 4-digit numbers. Now our next topic is position of every digit in a 4-digit नंबर. एक 4-digit नंबर में हर एक डिजिट की क्या पोजीशन होती है, हमने वो पढ़ना है अब नेक्स्ट. सो उसके लिए नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज, आई हैव रिटन दिस 4-digit नंबर. सो लेट्स काउंट द पोजीशन ऑफ एवरी डिजिट फ्रॉम द लास्ट डिजिट signifies which place? Ones place. Which place? Ones place. The next tens, next hundreds, and next 1000. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, and 1000 place. Thus, the name of this 4-digit number can be written as. अब ये जो 4-digit number है, इस नंबर का हमें नेम अगर बताना हो इसकी पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग, तो वो क्या होगा? लेट्स राइट इट. इट विल बी 4000, 200, 610. 610 का क्या मतलब है? 6 के साथ एक 0, that will make it 60, and last is 3. So the name of this 4-digit number will be 4263. Clear? 4263. Let's do more example. This 4-digit number, what will be the name of this 4-digit number? It will be, write it, 2000. Next 300. Next 41 is 41. Right? The next, count it. Is it a 4-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is a 4-digit number. So the position will be ones, tens, 100, and 1000. So at 1000, which number is 1? That means 1000. Then at 100th place we have 0. That means we will not be writing 100 here. So the name will be 1000 and 1 6 is 16. 1016. So our next topic is place value. So what is place value? It is the position of the digits in a number. What is it? It is a position of the digit in a number. एक गिवन नंबर में जो डिजिट्स होंगी उन डिजिट्स की क्या पोजीशन है वो हमें क्या बताती है? प्लेस वैल्यू. प्लेस वैल्यू में क्या बताती है? पोजीशन ऑफ द digits. So for example, I have written a 4-digit number 5723. In this 4-digit number there are 4 digits and every digit has its own place value. Let's count it from starting from 3. What is the position of 3? 3 is at 1's place. So that means the place value of 3 will be 3 only. So 3 की place value क्या होगी? 3 होगी because it is at 1's place. Now if we talk about the 2, this 2 is at which place? 10's place. Which place? 10's place. And how many zeros in 10? 1. That means the place value of 2 will be 20. The place value of 2 will be 20. Similarly, this 7 is at 100 place. Which place? 100 place. And how many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. That means 7 has a place value of 700. Similarly, 5 is at 1000 place. 1000 place. And how many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. And that's why 5 has a place value of 5000. Clear? Now let's start doing the examples. Question is, write the place value of each digit in a given number. We have been given with the 4-digit number and we have to write the place value for all 4 digits. So let's start doing it. First of all, we have to write the place value for 3 in this number. In this number, 3 is at which place? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. That means the place value of 3 will be 3000. Similarly, 4 is at 100 place. That means 4 will have place value of 400. And 6 will have place value of 60 because it is at 10th place. And 3, it is at 1's place, so its place value will be 3 only. Let's start with another example. 1341. So 1 is at which place? 1000 place. Or we can also do it like counting the number of digits after that digit. So 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू कितनी होगी? जितने उसके पीछे कितने डिजिट्स है वो हमें उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू बताएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 1. और उसके साथ हम कितने जीरोज लगाएंगे? 1 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? 1, 2, 3. सो हम 3 जीरोज उसके साथ लगा देंगे. सो इट विल मेक 1000. सिमिलरली 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू कितनी है? वी विल राइट 3 and after 3 how many digits? 1, 2. So we'll put 2 zeros. It will make 300. Similarly 4, after 4 there is only 1 digit, so we'll put 1 0 and it will make 40 and 1 in the last. So there is no digit after 1, so we'll write 1 only. Clear? Next, write the place value of the circled digit. So जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें जो सर्कल डिजिट है, जिसके ऊपर सर्कल है, हमें सिर्फ उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू बतानी है. पूरे नंबर्स की नहीं बतानी, सारी डिजिट्स की नहीं बतानी है. किसकी बतानी है? द सर्कल्ड डिजिट, जिसके ऊपर क्या किया हुआ है? सर्कल किया हुआ है. सो इन दिस नंबर 6381, it is a 4-digit number and in this 4-digit number 3 is mean सर्कल. 3 के ऊपर क्या किया हुआ है? सर्कल किया हुआ है. सो 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? 3 हम पहले लिखेंगे और उसके बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? 1, 2. So the answer is 300. Similarly, the next 1. How many digits after 1? 1, 2, 3. So we'll put 3 zeros and it will make it 1000. Then next 7812. In this circle digit is 2. And how many digits after 2? There is no digit, so we'll not put any 0. So the place value of 2 in this number will be 2 only. Okay students, I hope now you are clear with place value. So let's start with our next topic, that is long form, or we also say it as expanded form. So what is long form? Long form is writing the position of each and every digit in a 4-digit number and addition form. In an addition form, 4-digit नंबर में जितने भी डिजिट्स होंगे उनकी पोजीशन को एडिशन फॉर्म में हमें लिखना है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म, और वी सिंपली से इट एज addition of place values. What is long form? Addition of place values. Place values को add करना. For example, we have this 4-digit number 7831. So in this 4-digit number, just write the place values and add it. We will be adding it only by signifies by the sign of addition. So what is the place value of 7 here? Place value of 7 is 7000 plus. What is the place value of 8? 1, 2. It is 800, 3, 30. And what is the place value of 1? 1. So this is your expanded form. Let's start with another example, that is 8321. So write down the place value of 8. 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? 8 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स है? हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आफ्टर 8? 1, 2, 3. सो पुट 3 zeros, देन प्लस, उसके बाद 3 आफ्टर 3 वी हैव 2 digits, विल बी पुटिंग 2 zeros, देन 2. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आफ्टर 2? ओनली 1, सो विल पुट 1 zero, and in the last 1. So this is your expanded form. Similarly, the next example, 1304. 1304. So in this, what is the place value of 1? 1000, because after 1 there are 3 digits, so we have to write 3 zeros, plus 3, and after 3 how many zeros? How many zeros we will be putting? It will be 1, 2, so 2 zeros. Next 0. So at 10th place we have 0, so we'll be putting only 1 0. No need to put 2 zeros here, because 0 means 0 only. So after that we have 4. So this is the expanded form. Next is short form. So what is short form now? As we have done the expanded form, addition of place value, and the short form is the reverse of it, that is writing a 4-digit number from its expanded form. Expanded form में से 4-digit number को लिखना by adding it. So expanded form को add कर देना, हमें क्या मिलेगा फिर? Short form. By adding the expanded form we will get the short form of the number. Clear? So let's do the example. First is, we have a expanded form here, 3000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 6. So writing short form will be starting from 1's place. So at 1's place we'll be writing 6, and at 10's place what is here? 20, so we'll be writing 2. 100 place 4, and at 1000's place 3. In this way you will get the short form from the expanded form. Next example, this is also expanded form, 4649. So its short form will be starting from the last. At 1's place it is 9, 10's place 40, 100's place it's 6, and at 1000 place it's 4, and you will get your short form. Similarly, the next example, 4 at the 1's place, 3 at the 10's place, and what is at the 100 place? 0. So you will put 0 at the 100 place, and what is at the 1000's place? It is 7. In this way you have got your short form. Now our next topic is writing the successor or the number after. What is successor? Successor is writing the number after, or in easy language we'll say adding 1 to the number. गिवन नंबर में 1 ऐड करना हमें क्या देगा? उसका सक्सेसर. एडिंग 1 टू द गिवन नंबर विल गिव इट्स सक्सेसर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द नंबर इज 3145. So our next topic is writing the successor or the number after, or in easy words we can say it, successor is adding 1 to the given number. Adding 1 to the given number. गिवन नंबर में 1 ऐड अगर हम करेंगे तो हमें वो उस नंबर का क्या मिलेगा? सक्सेसर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव अ नंबर 3145. So what will be the successor of this number? In this you have to just add 1. So by adding 1 you will be getting 3145. So 45 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? 3146. Similarly, 2016, adding 1 will make it 2017. 7426, adding 1 to it will make it 7427. Similarly, 8143, adding 1 will make it 8144. Next is 2000. So adding 1 in 2000 will make it 2001. 2000 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? 2001. नेक्स्ट इज 3999. सो एडिंग 1 विल मेक इट. सो यू कैन डू इट लाइक 3999 plus 1, and it will be 9 plus 1 will be 10, 0 and carry 1. 9 plus 1 will be 0, 10, 1 carry again. 9 plus 1 will be 10 again, 1 carry again, and it will be 3 plus 1 will be 4. So your answer is 4000. Next is writing the predecessor. Similarly, as we have done writing the successor, that is the number after, in the same way writing the predecessor means the number before. एक नंबर पहले हमें लिखना है, the number before, or in a simple words we can say we have to subtract 1. Subtract 1 from number. नंबर में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट अगर हम करेंगे we'll get the predecessor. For example, the number we have 2747. So 2747 में से 1 अगर हम लेस कर देंगे माइनस, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? या तो हम लेस करके देखें, या हम कैसे कर सकते हैं कि हम सीधा देखें कि 47 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है. व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 47? सो व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 47 इज 47 से पहले क्या आता है? 46, एंड विल राइट द नंबर एज इट इज. सो इट विल मेक 2746. in the same way, the next is 23. so what comes before 23? 22, and the rest number is same as it is. Next example is 30. So what comes before 30? 30 से पहले क्या आता है? 29, and the rest number is same. In this way you will get the predecessor of the given number. Next is 75. What comes before 75? 74, and the rest number is same. In the same way 40. What comes before 40? 39, and the rest number is same. You have got your, in this way you have got your predecessor. And the last is 9000. Now what comes before 9000? If you have any confusion, you can simply minus 1. So we can check it by just subtracting 1 from the given number. So from 0, can we subtract 1? No. So that means from 0 we cannot subtract 1. That means we have to borrow from the neighbor, but in the neighbor we have 0 again and 0 again. So from 9, this 0 will make 10, and after 10 this will give 1 to the number and making it 10, and this 10 will give 1 to this number and making it 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9, 9 minus 0 will be 9, this 9 minus 0 will be 9 again, and this here 8. So what is the answer? 8999. In this way you have got the predecessor of 9000. I hope you are clear with this topic.